Even in summer, the weather can turn in an instant. In an Antarctic blizzard, temperatures can quickly fall to -55 degrees centigrade. The chicks' only chance of survival is to huddle together for warmth. The cold, though, is only part of the problem. They've lost the rest of the colony. They have two choices. They can stay together and hope that they are found, or they can break the huddle, search for the remaining adults, and risk freezing to death. Young and afraid, they decide to risk it. But they could be heading in completely the wrong direction. In the end, luck is on their side. Even at the height of the blizzard, there's still a column of adults bringing fish back from the sea. The chicks are led home like a party of lost schoolchildren. Back with the colony, they form a creche once more. But nothing beats snuggling up to Mum. Hanging out with your mates is all very well, but Mums are definitely better.